Today, I will be showing you my new design. Front side with special sewing ideas and twist designs in 2 ways. Let's start sewing. Cut the pieces into 2 pieces for the front. Twist design number 1. Create small pleats. Or 6 pleats. Cut from the middle. Special tip. Now take the second panel to create pleats on the other side. Cutting. This is the key part for this design. Same fabric opposite side. Then twist on same side. Sew it from here. Design number 2. This part marking. Cut from both sides and leave 1-inch fabric attached.
Like, subscribe, comment, and share please.